Enter Crypto Quantum Leap, the future of secure crypto trading. This platform is set to revolutionize the way we trade cryptocurrencies by addressing the core concerns of security and volatility. The cryptocurrency market is exciting, yet it's also unpredictable. Prices can soar one moment and plummet the next, creating a roller coaster of emotions for traders. This volatility scares many potential investors. The fear of losing their hard-earned money often keeps them on the sidelines, hesitant to dive into the crypto world. Crypto Quantum Leap understands these concerns. It aims to provide a secure and stable environment where traders can feel confident about their investments. This innovative platform prioritizes secure trading and empowers both new and seasoned traders. With advanced security measures and intuitive tools, it caters to the needs of all types of investors. Crypto Quantum Leap offers a unique approach. It integrates sophisticated algorithms and real-time data analysis to help traders make informed decisions. It combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly tools. The platform's interface is designed to be intuitive, making it easy for anyone to navigate and use effectively. The platform focuses on risk mitigation, making it a safer space to navigate the crypto world. By employing advanced risk management strategies, it helps protect traders from significant losses. Crypto Quantum Leap is not just another trading platform, it's a comprehensive ecosystem designed for success. It brings together a community of traders, providing them with the resources and support they need to thrive in the volatile crypto market. Additionally, the platform offers educational resources and a community where traders can share insights and strategies. This collaborative environment fosters growth and learning, ensuring that every trader has the opportunity to succeed. Crypto Quantum Leap is paving the way for the future of cryptocurrency trading. Its visionary approach and commitment to security and innovation make it a standout choice for anyone looking to enter or excel in the crypto market. Risk management, redefined, safeguarding your investments. In today's volatile financial landscape, safeguarding your investments is more crucial than ever. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, understanding and managing risk is key to long-term success. Risk is inherent in any investment. Market fluctuations, economic downturns, and unforeseen events can all impact your portfolio. However, with the right tools and strategies, you can navigate these challenges effectively. Crypto Quantum Leap acknowledges this reality. The platform is designed with a deep understanding of the complexities and uncertainties of the financial markets. The platform provides tools to manage and minimize these risks, setting it apart from platforms with a trade at your own risk mentality. Unlike other platforms that leave you to fend for yourself, Crypto Quantum Leap offers a suite of risk management features that empower you to make informed decisions. Crypto Quantum Leap emphasizes conservative trading options that prioritize capital preservation. By focusing on strategies that protect your initial investment, the platform helps you build a stable financial foundation. Features like stop-loss orders automatically limit potential losses, ensuring that you never lose more than you can afford. This automated feature acts as a safety net, giving you peace of mind as you navigate the markets. While portfolio diversification tools encourage a balanced approach, diversifying your portfolio spreads risk across various assets, reducing the impact of any single asset's poor performance. This minimizes the impact of any single asset's volatility. A well-diversified portfolio can weather market storms more effectively, providing more consistent returns over time. This focus on risk management makes Crypto Quantum Leap a leader in secure trading. By prioritizing your financial security and offering robust tools to manage risk, Crypto Quantum Leap stands out as a trusted partner in your investment journey. Whether you're looking to grow your wealth or protect your assets, Crypto Quantum Leap provides the resources and support you need to achieve your financial goals. Navigating volatility with confidence. Advanced trading tools. The crypto market is known for its rapid price swings. Crypto Quantum Leap equips traders to handle this volatility. It offers advanced charting tools and technical indicators that help traders make informed decisions. Real-time market data keeps users informed, allowing them to identify trends and potential opportunities. Technical analysis tools provide deeper insights, enabling traders to make strategic decisions, even in volatile markets. Crypto Quantum Leap empowers users with knowledge, which translates into confident and potentially profitable trading. The power of knowledge education at your fingertips. Crypto Quantum Leap believes knowledge is power. The platform provides comprehensive educational resources that cater to all levels of traders. Beginners can access introductory guides and tutorials, while experienced traders can explore advanced trading strategies. The platform features market analysis, expert insights, and trading tips. This constant stream of information keeps users informed and helps them adapt to the ever-changing crypto landscape. Crypto Quantum Leap empowers users, giving them the knowledge to make smart, calculated decisions. Crypto Quantum Leap fosters a strong community, where traders can connect and learn from each other. This supportive environment is invaluable, especially for newcomers. It provides a platform for sharing experiences and insights. The community forum allows users to engage in discussions, ask questions, and seek advice. This collaborative approach enhances the learning process and creates a sense of belonging within the Crypto Quantum Leap ecosystem. This strong community sets Crypto Quantum Leap apart, transforming trading from a solitary activity into a shared journey. Crypto Quantum Leap offers more than just basic trading. It is designed to meet the needs of both novice and experienced traders by providing a comprehensive suite of advanced features that go beyond the basics. It provides advanced features for experienced traders, enabling them to leverage sophisticated tools and strategies to maximize their trading potential. These features include algorithmic trading and copy trading, catering to those seeking to automate or enhance their trading strategies. Algorithmic trading, for instance, allows traders to execute orders at speeds and frequencies that would be impossible for a human trader. Algorithmic trading allows users to automate their trades based on preset parameters, removing emotional bias from trading decisions. This can be particularly beneficial in volatile markets where quick decision-making is crucial. Copy trading allows users to replicate the trades of successful traders, providing an alternative approach to potentially profitable trading. This feature is especially useful for those who may not have the time or expertise to develop their own trading strategies. By offering these advanced features, Crypto Quantum Leap caters to a wider range of trading styles and preferences. Whether you are looking to automate your trades, follow the strategies of successful traders, or simply explore new trading techniques, Crypto Quantum Leap has the tools you need to succeed. The platform's versatility ensures that it can adapt to the evolving needs of its users, making it a valuable resource for anyone serious about crypto trading. With its advanced features, Crypto Quantum Leap is not just a trading platform. It's a comprehensive solution for achieving trading excellence. Security is paramount in the crypto world. Crypto Quantum Leap prioritizes user safety and data protection. It utilizes advanced security protocols. These protocols include two-factor authentication and cold storage for digital assets. The platform promotes transparency in all its operations. It provides clear and concise information about its fees and policies. This builds trust with its users. Crypto Quantum Leap is committed to creating a secure and transparent trading environment. This allows users to focus on what matters most, making informed trading decisions. The crypto trading landscape is crowded. Crypto Quantum Leap stands out from the competition. Its focus on risk management, advanced tools, and user education sets it apart. The platform is constantly evolving. It adapts to the ever-changing needs of crypto traders. Unlike platforms that prioritize profits over user safety, Crypto Quantum Leap prioritizes responsible trading. It empowers users with the knowledge and tools to make informed decisions. This commitment to user success makes Crypto Quantum Leap a leader in the crypto trading space. Starting your crypto trading journey with Crypto Quantum Leap is simple. The platform offers a user-friendly interface. It's easy to navigate, even for beginners. The registration process is straightforward. It requires minimal personal information. Once registered, users can access a demo account. This allows them to familiarize themselves with the platform's features. They can practice trading with virtual funds before risking real capital. Crypto Quantum Leap provides a seamless and secure onboarding experience. This makes it easy for anyone to start their crypto trading journey. Crypto Quantum Leap represents the future of innovative crypto trading. It offers a secure, transparent, and user-friendly trading platform. It empowers both novice and experienced traders alike, The platform's focus on risk management, advanced tools, and community support sets it apart. Crypto Quantum Leap is more than just a trading platform. It's a comprehensive ecosystem designed for success in the exciting world of cryptocurrency. Join Crypto Quantum Leap today and experience the future of secure and profitable crypto trading.